So, what is plastic pollution? Plastic pollution is an increasing quantity of plastic objects in the Earth's environment that harmfully affects wildlife, habitats, and yes, of course, humans. We humans are the reason for this wildly uncontrollable force that has led us to believe that we have nothing but an extremely short amount of time to reverse what we have done to the planet, our only home. Every single day, approximately 8 million pieces of plastic find their ways into our oceans. The amount of plastic we have thrown away each year is enough to circle the Earth not one, not two, not three, but 4 times. Millions of seabirds and marine animals are killed annually due to the plastic in our oceans. The birds who are consuming the plastic are getting full without realizing that they have not eaten what they are supposed to. Sharp edges of the plastic kill these birds by puncturing holes into their internal organs. Plastic is made of certain chemicals that do not have an easy time decomposing. Plastic is even found in our deepest trenches at a scorching 35,849 feet. Nearly 91% of plastic produced is not recycled. Millions of plastic bottles are sold every minute all over the world, and less than 1/5 of that plastic is recycled globally. In the year 2050, it has been said that there will be more plastic in the ocean than fish. There is approximately 51 trillion microscopic pieces of plastic in the ocean, which we all know will never leave. As plastic is extremely durable and flexible and has a long lifetime, it slowly fragments into smaller pieces, which eventually results into microscopic plastic. That means plastic will always be with us in some kind of form. It takes 500 to 1,000 years for plastic to degrade. Plastic pollution does not only impact the water, but also the chemicals found in plastic are also found in the air, in the dust, and even in our food. The one-time plastic products we use are what makes up the majority of the plastic pollution in the ocean. As plastic packages are lightweight, they are easily blown or washed into rivers where it is carried to the sea, or maybe blown right into the ocean. 73% of the beach litter is made up of plastic, from bottles to food wrappers to grocery bags to cigarette butts and many more. The average person living in the United States throws away approximately 185 pounds of plastic yearly. Billions of pounds of plastics are able to be found swirling in convergences in the ocean. So, why is plastic pollution so bad anyways? Why should we go out of our ways to try and resolve this? Why can't we just leave it to the scientists to deal with? Plastic pollution does not only affect the environment, but also our loved ones. If we continue this path to pollute and destroy the planet, we will no longer be with those we love till their death. It will be more of till the death of mankind. All we can do right now is try. Try for our family, try for our friends, and try for the planet. We all want to grow old and see our peers succeed, but we can't if there is no future. We have no one to blame but ourselves. There will come a day where we will see everyone we love suffer at the hands of plastic pollution. All those who we love will perish without hesitation. People in this classroom right now will never see the light of day any longer if we do not make a change now. We grew up on this planet. We watched it suffer. Soon will come a time where we will suffer with it. We need to change. We need each other, and we are all we have. Even our pets will suffer, as an animal's life is never less important than a human's. Animals have emotions just like we do. They can feel and love just the same way. We are the last generation left. We are the only ones left to help our only home. This is our last chance. So, let's do it right.
One way to help improve the situation is using a reusable water bottle instead of buying plastic bottles. Another way is by using reusable plates, which you can buy at your local convenience store for less than $1 each. A third way is by making reusable water bottles. For this, you will need the following ingredients and supplies. In a bowl with 4 cups of water, add a teaspoon of sodium alginate. Continue mixing the sodium alginate until it is completely dissolved in the water. In a bowl of 2 cups of water, add half a teaspoon of calcium chloride. After combining the water and sodium alginate, let the solution rest for 15 minutes to an hour. Making a reusable water bottle may seem like a lot of effort, but doing it not only improves your health, but that of the environment. After combining the calcium chloride solution, pour it into an ice tray and let it freeze. After the solution has frozen, place the ice cubes into the sodium alginate bath and make sure they do not touch. Get a spoon and gently pour the solution over the ice cubes, which should be completely submerged. While waiting for the ice cubes to melt, you should begin to see a clear membrane forming around them. After the ice cubes have melted, take a slotted spoon and take the bubble out and place them into a large bowl of water.
Okay.
Close up. Sure.